friends. It's math carpet time on a fabulous Friday in November. It is a wonderful month, isn't it? Absolutely. So let's figure out what's going to go right here. Now, yesterday was a 12, and we have to figure out what comes next. Okay, so it's a 13. But what will be the pictures that we see on our 13 card? Well, so yesterday we had this little teensy-weensy square here in the corner. How can we figure out what comes next? Read the pattern, of course. All right. So we have a rectangle, a triangle, a square, rectangle, triangle, a square, rectangle, triangle, square, rectangle, triangle, square. You're thinking a rectangle? Okay. Now, what color will it be? Yeah, that's a different pattern, isn't it? Yeah. Not all the rectangles are the same color. This rectangle is orange, and this rectangle is red. So that's a different pattern altogether. The rectangle, triangle, square pattern is an ABC pattern. But the colors are a different pattern. They go orange, orange, red, red. Orange, orange, red, red. Orange, orange, red, red. Orange? Okay. So you're thinking an orange rectangle. Alrighty. Did you notice that the pattern was different? Not ABC, is it? No, it's AA, BB. AA, BB. That's different. Cool. All right, so an orange rectangle. Let's put it up. There it is. An orange rectangle and the number 13. Wonderful. So today is Friday, November 13th, 2020. Very nice job. Okay, let's come on over here and see what Rocco Raccoon has in store for us today. Hi, Rocco. I see you've pulled some cards. Well, come on up here and tell us what you'd like us to do with them. You'd like us to put them in order from smallest to greatest. Okay, we can do that. Do you mind if we use the pocket chart? Okay, perfect. All right, well, let me get down here so we can see the pocket chart. And, okay, so let's take a look at what Rocco got out for us. We have a 24, and a 6, a 16, a 12, and a 28. All right, well, Rocco would like us to start with the smallest number. Which number is the least? You're thinking the 6? Okay. I'll put that first. Which number would come next? We have a wide variety to choose from, don't we? If we were counting, which number would we come to next? Yeah, I think 20s, those are going to come later, right? So it's down to between the 16 and the 12. You're thinking the 12? Okay. And then? Okay, I'll put that up there. Then what? Now we have a 24 and a 28. Which one would come first, the 24 or the 28? Because 4 comes before 8. Okay. And then the 28? All right, let's give it a check. So 6, and then 12, and then 16, then 24, then 28. Okay. Well, there's another way we can check, and that's to put them into the pocket chart over there and see if we got them in the right order. So I'll put these right here into the right ordered pile, and let's see if it works. Okay, so does the 6 fit here? 5, 6. Looks like it. Our next number is a 12. 11, 12. Ooh, it fits. 15, 16. We did it. 23, 24, 27, 28. Wow, we put those numbers all in order. What do you think, Rocco? You knew we were that smart? Wow. All right, Rocco, how would you like us to count today? You'd like us to count to 100 by fives. I think we can handle that. Okay. All right, so let's count by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. How was that? Wonderful. Oh, by tens too? Okay. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How was that? That's not what you meant? Uh-oh. Okay, well, what did you mean? Oh, he wants us to count by tens, but he wants us to start at 5. Do we know how to do that? Okay, well, when we count by tens, we go down, right? 10, 20, like that. If we start at 5, can we count by tens by going down? Absolutely. Okay, well, let's give it a try. All right, Rocco, we're going to try. All right, so let's count. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Do you know what would come after that? Right down here. 105. You're right. Wow. Thanks, Rocco. That was kind of fun. Wow. Rocco thinks we're pretty smart. All right. Well, thank you, Rocco. Yes, we're going to put the straw in right now. Okay. All right. Let's add our straw. Now, I put in one for yesterday. So we have 4 of them in there. If I put one more, how many will that be? That will be 5. So let's put a 5 in there. Beautiful. Let's count, see how many that is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45. Very nice. All right, let's get down and see if Clara has a big pile of apples for us to count again. So we're down here with Clara Cow and Jelly, and it looks like they're trying to count the apples already. Clara, you have some stuck to your nose. Oh, I see. You're trying to help out Jelly. Jelly, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's your favorite number. Oh, okay. Well, Jelly, it's really hard to count by 8s. It really is. Oh, that's why you have 2 stuck to your nose, Clara. You were trying to add 2 more. Because 8 plus 2 would make, 10. That's a group of 10. Oh, well, Clara, that was a really good idea. Okay. Well, Jelly, I'm going to put these in a pile of 10 over here so that we can count the 8. And Clara's 2 more, thank you, Clara, as a pile of 10. All right. We need to put these in piles of 10, otherwise we're never going to get through this pile, are we? All right, let's do that. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow, do you think we'll end up with as many as we had the other day? We had over 100, didn't we? Do you think there's over 100 this time? Well, so far we have 10, 20, 30, 40. How many more would we need to make it to 100? Well, I know in my head that 4 and 6 more makes 10. So if I have 4 piles of 10, I would need 6 more piles of 10 to make 100. Do I have 6 more piles of 10 there? Well, there's one way to find out, right? I'm thinking maybe not, but, well, let's make some piles of 10 and find out for sure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oops. You know what? I'm not sure I got it right that time. I'm going to count that one again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. Now how many piles of 10 do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. Do you think I have 3 more piles of 10 in this pile? Because 7 piles of 10 and 3 more piles of 10 would be 10 piles of 10. That's 100. Oh my goodness. I don't know if we're going to make it to 100. Let's count these and find out. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow, I think we're really close to 100, aren't we? Then we have this one little guy that's still left. I'm going to move this one over here. There. How many piles of 10 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 piles of 10. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. And then we have this one little apple all by itself, right? Wow. That makes a pretty big number, doesn't it? How many is that? Okay, well, let's double check that with our counting, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91. 91. Ah, wow, that's pretty cool how that works. 91 apples. Clara, that's a lot of apples because 91 is almost to 100. Yeah, I think you'd get a really big cow bellyache if you ate all those apples. Oh, you were going to share with Jelly. Well, I hope you two don't get, both of you get a bellyache. Yeah. Yeah, you might need to share some with someone else. I hear that Rocco Raccoon might like apples too. Yeah. All right. Well, Clara Cow picked out a very interesting flash math for us today. Let's take a look. All right. So we're looking at this to think, are there more than 5 or fewer than 5? And then are there more than 10 or fewer than 10? Okay. Do you see any patterns that might help your brain figure out how many there are? Are you ready? Here we go. Did you see any patterns that would help? Maybe not so much. Okay, well, what do you think? Are there more than 5? Okay. Do you think there are more than 10? That's a little trickier, isn't it? Let's take another look. Why is this one so hard? Yeah, this one is so hard because there's not really a pattern there to help our brain, is there? They're kind of all in a line and in this like rainbow shape, and wow, that really makes it hard to think how many there might be. We might actually have to count these to figure it out. I mean, you can tell there's more than 5, can't you? Yeah, because you can kind of see there's more than 5 when you get to the top. But, there seems to be around 10, but it's hard to tell just looking quickly. All right, let's take a look and count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I was right. My brain did figure out that there were more than 5 because it seemed like there were more than 5. When I got to the top, that seemed like about 5, and then there were still more. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah, there's 9. So are there more than 10? No, but it's really close to 10, isn't it? Yes. So Clara Cow picked a really tricky one today. Tricky because there's not really a pattern there to help our brain figure out how many there are. Wow. So Flash math can be kind of tricky just because of the patterns that we can see. Well, I hope you have a very wonderful counting day. And Clara Cow and Jelly both say, eat an apple because they're healthy and count something today.